Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a crucial piece of technology that can save you from stress and data loss during unexpected power outages, the APC BR1500G battery backup surge protector, or the BR1500G. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the APC BR1500G? In simple terms, it's an uninterruptible power supply, or UPS, that not only protects your electronic devices from power surges but also provides backup power in case of an outage. With a robust capacity of 1500 VA and 865 watts, this device is designed to keep your critical equipment running smoothly when you need it most. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the BR1500G. First off, it includes 10 outlets, which is great for keeping multiple devices powered. Out of these, 5 outlets provide battery backup, while the other 5 offer surge protection only. This means you can connect everything from your computer and modem to your printer and gaming console, ensuring that they remain protected and operational during power disruptions. Another key feature is the automatic voltage regulation, or AVR. This technology automatically corrects any low or high voltage fluctuations without discharging the battery. This is particularly useful in areas where voltage stability is a concern. Plus, the APC BR1500G is compatible with active PFC devices, ensuring that it works seamlessly with modern electronics. For those who need even more runtime during outages, APC offers a supplemental external battery pack, sold separately. This model, known as the BR24BPG, can be connected to the UPS, significantly extending the amount of time you can keep your devices running during a power failure. The design of the BR1500G is also user-friendly. It features a 6-foot power cord with a right-angle 3-prong wall plug. This makes it easier to fit into tight spaces without straining the cord. Plus, it comes with free Windows PC power management software that allows you to monitor and manage your power usage. If you're a Mac user, you can rely on the native Energy Saver settings to manage your power needs. Another plus is that the battery is replaceable, with the model APC RBC124 available for purchase separately. This means that you can extend the life of your UPS without needing to buy a whole new unit when the battery eventually wears out. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that the APC BR1500G is ENERGY STAR certified. This means it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines, which is great for anyone looking to reduce their environmental footprint while keeping their devices protected. Now, who is this product suitable for? The APC BR1500G is perfect for home office users, gamers, and anyone who relies on electronic equipment for their daily tasks. If you work from home and need to protect your computer, monitors, and network equipment, this UPS is a reliable choice. It's also great for gamers who want to ensure their gaming sessions aren't interrupted by a sudden blackout, and for small businesses that need to keep essential equipment running during outages. In practical use cases, consider a scenario where a storm knocks out the power in your area. With the BR1500G, you can continue working on important files, attend video calls, or finish your gaming session without fear of losing progress or data. The added peace of mind that comes from knowing your devices are protected is invaluable. In conclusion, the APC UPS 1500 VA battery backup surge protector is a robust and reliable solution for anyone looking to protect their electronic devices from power issues. Its combination of features, including battery backup, surge protection, and energy efficiency, makes it a standout choice in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.